Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So today the problem that I'm going to be attempting is number 1148, article views 1. So, I'm going to read out the spec here. We've got a table called views, which has 4 columns: article ID, author ID, viewer ID, and view date. All of them are of type integer apart from the view date, which is of type date. There's no primary key for the table, so there might be duplicate rows, and each row of the table indicates that some viewer has viewed an article written by some author on some date. Note that equal author ID and viewer ID indicates the same person. So, write a solution to find all authors that have viewed at least one of their own articles. Return the result table sorted by ID in ascending order. Okay. So, return all authors that viewed at least one of their own articles. Okay, so let's look at the example table here. So 4 and 7. So you can see there's 7 7 here and 4 4 here. So the first thing that I think we want to try and do is we want to get all of we only want the IDs. So we want the author. In fact, just to make things a bit more visible at the beginning, we're going to select all. We're going to select all from this views table. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a where clause, and we're going to check where author ID is equal to viewer underscore ID. And if we run this, we should get 4 and 7. So we get, it's a bit hard to see here, but we get 7 here, and then we get another 4, so we get author 4 twice. So I think what we kind of need to do is we want only the unique ones, which we can do with the distinct keyword. So what we're going to do is we can say select distinct, and what are the distinct things we want? We want the distinct author underscore IDs, where the author ID is equal to the viewer ID. Oh, have to. It's just the name that's wrong there. We want it to be. We want to select it as ID, like that. Sorted by ID in ascending order. Forgot that. So we got to order by. What do we want? Order by ID in ascending order. So hopefully we're going to be on the right track here. Okay, accepted. Let's hit submit, and brilliant, got accepted. So, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment. I love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.